First up, we have the Kettlebell Goodmorning. So this is a great variation, especially for beginners. What I'm looking for as a coach is for the athlete or the client to pick up the kettlebell like if they were going to do a goblet squat. So by the horns. Go ahead and grab the kettlebell by the horns. I'm looking for maximal tension with the hands to create irradiation and more tension throughout the entire body to create more stability. From here, I'm looking for co-contractions from the pecs and the lats to help stabilize the shoulder joint, as well as co-contractions from the adductors, the inner thighs, and the glutes to help stabilize at the hip joint. From here, I'm looking for a soft bend in the knees as he hinges over and posteriorly shifts his weight back. Now, as the coach, I am paying attention to make sure that there is a nice neutral spine throughout the duration of the movement, as well as paying attention to see if there's any unwanted rotation. So I'll be looking at his feet, his ankles, what's going on at the knees, the hips, and the upper trunk. This variation places the load a lot more anteriorly, which is going to be really good for upper trunk development. Let's take a look at this from a side profile. Again, we are paying attention to a neutral spine as he shifts his weight posteriorly. Soft bend in the knees. And that is a solid kettlebell Goodmorning hinging movement.